In this episode, we're going to learn about parts of a plant. Did you know that there are many parts of a plant that help it live and grow? The first part of a plant is the seed. The seed is what the plant grows from. You plant it in the soil and watch it grow. The next part of the plant is called the roots. The roots are a part of the plant that grow down into the soil, and they have several jobs. The first thing the roots do are hold the plant into the dirt. The second job is to absorb nutrients and send them up to the stem. The stem can be called a trunk too. The stem supports the plant and helps the plant reach the sunlight. Leaves help the plant by taking the sunlight and air and making food for the plant. Some plants have flowers. Flowers make pollen. That's the sticky powder on the plant, and that helps make new plants. Now that we know the different parts of a plant, let's see if you can identify the parts of a plant. What is this part of a plant called? What do you think? You're right. It's called the leaf. What is this part of a plant called? What do you think? You're right. It's called the roots. What is this part of a plant called? What do you think? You're right. It's called the stem. I hope you liked this lesson on parts of a plant. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.